10 cool gadgets and inventions, now on Amazon and online. The world of technology is a treasure trove of creativity, offering gadgets and inventions that solve everyday problems in fascinating ways. From devices that make life more convenient to tools that inspire wonder, these innovations represent the perfect blend of practicality and imagination. Whether you're looking to enhance your workspace, upgrade your personal gear, or discover a unique gadget, the options are endless. Today, we bring you some of the coolest gadgets and inventions you can find on Amazon and online. Shelly BLU Button 1. Imagine controlling your smart home with just the press of a button. The Shelly BLU Button 1 is not just another wireless remote, it's a revolutionary device designed to simplify your life. Compact and elegantly designed, this button connects seamlessly to your smart home ecosystem via Bluetooth, giving you instant control over your lights, appliances, and routines. Want to dim the lights for movie night or turn on your coffee machine in the morning? A single press, double press, or long press can be customized to perform different actions, making it incredibly versatile. The beauty of the Shelly BLU Button 1 lies in its convenience and flexibility. Nightcore Teeny 2. The Nightcore Teeny 2 is not just a flashlight, it's a technological marvel packed into an ultra-compact form. Despite its small size, this keychain flashlight delivers an astonishing 500 lumens of brightness, enough to light up a large area in pitch-black conditions. Its OLED display provides real-time information, such as battery status and remaining runtime, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Whether you're camping, walking at night, or searching for something in a dark corner, the Teeny 2 is your reliable companion. What sets this flashlight apart is its durability and user-friendly features. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's both lightweight and robust, capable of withstanding everyday wear and tear. Dry Studio Black Diamond 75 Keyboard. The Dry Studio Black Diamond 75 keyboard is not just another tool for typing. It's a luxurious experience designed for professionals and tech enthusiasts who value both functionality and aesthetics. Featuring a stunning diamond-shaped keycap design, this keyboard elevates your workspace with its unique look while providing an incredibly tactile and satisfying typing experience. Built with premium materials and precision engineering, it offers durability and style in one sleek package. Beyond its elegant appearance, this keyboard is packed with features that enhance productivity. It supports customizable backlighting, allowing you to adjust the colors and brightness to suit your mood or environment. Ion Mundial Lunar Phase Lamp. The Ion Mundial Lunar Phase Lamp is more than just a light. It's a piece of art inspired by the phases of the moon. This beautifully designed lamp features a rotating dial that lets you mimic the moon's changing phases, creating a calming and enchanting atmosphere in any room. Made with high-quality materials, it serves as both a functional lighting solution and a decorative centerpiece that sparks conversation and admiration. What makes this lamp truly special is its ability to create an emotional connection with its user. The soft, warm light it emits is perfect for unwinding after a long day or setting the mood for a cozy evening at home. Its intuitive controls make it easy to switch between lighting modes, and the sturdy base ensures stability on any surface. Wizama Squareon. Gaming has never been so innovative or interactive as with the Wizama Squareon. This smart board game console combines the charm of traditional board games with the excitement of digital gaming. Equipped with a touch-sensitive screen and specialized controllers, it offers a variety of games that can be enjoyed solo or with friends and family. The Squareon is perfect for players of all ages, making it a versatile addition to your game nights. The standout feature of this console is its ability to bring people together. Unlike traditional video games that require separate controllers or screens, Squareon creates a communal experience by centralizing gameplay on its smart board. Its intuitive interface ensures that even first-time players can quickly grasp the rules and jump into the action. Moonside Maglite. The Moonside Maglite is not your average desk lamp. This futuristic gadget features fully customizable LED lighting, allowing you to create stunning visual effects and adjust the color temperature to suit your needs. Whether you want a warm glow for reading or vibrant colors for a party atmosphere, the Maglite has you covered. Its modern minimalist design ensures it complements any space, from offices to bedrooms. One of the most impressive features of the Maglite is its smart control system. Using an app on your phone, you can sync the lamp's lighting effects to your music, creating dynamic patterns that pulse to the beat. It also supports voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, offering hands-free convenience. Micho's BH288 Bluetooth headset. The Micho's BH288 Bluetooth headset redefines hands-free communication with its state-of-the-art features and exceptional comfort. Designed for professionals and multitaskers, this headset provides crystal-clear audio quality, ensuring every call or virtual meeting runs smoothly. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it comfortable to wear for extended periods, whether you're working from home, commuting, or attending virtual events. Equipped with advanced noise-canceling technology, the BH288 blocks out background noise, allowing you to focus on your conversation. Its long battery life ensures uninterrupted usage throughout the day, and the fast charging feature gets you back in action quickly. The headset also includes intuitive touch controls, making it easy to answer calls, adjust volume, or switch tracks without reaching for your device. OAHE BP Dr. Pro Smartwatch. The OAHE BP Dr. Pro Smartwatch is not just a timepiece, it's a comprehensive health monitoring device designed to keep you in peak condition. This smartwatch features an array of health tracking functions, including blood pressure monitoring, heart rate tracking, and sleep analysis, giving you valuable insights into your overall well-being. Its sleek and modern design ensures it looks great on your wrist while offering the practicality of a personal health assistant. What sets the BP Dr. Pro apart from other smartwatches is its accuracy and user-friendly interface. The advanced sensors provide precise readings, and the intuitive app allows you to track your progress over time. Additionally, it includes fitness tracking features, helping you set and achieve your exercise goals. Gadget Fan 2. The Gadget Fan 2 is a versatile handheld device that takes the hassle out of cleaning, inflating, and drying. This powerful air blower is perfect for removing dust from electronics, inflating air mattresses, or even drying wet surfaces. Compact yet incredibly powerful, the Jet Fan 2 is designed to save you time and effort, making it an indispensable tool for both home and outdoor use. With multiple speed settings and a long-lasting battery, the Jet Fan 2 offers flexibility and convenience. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the lightweight build makes it easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're tidying up your workspace, preparing for a camping trip, or tackling household chores, the Gadget Fan 2 is a gadget that delivers performance and reliability in a portable package. Moth Carry Sleeve. The Moth Carry Sleeve is the ultimate accessory for laptop users who value both style and functionality. This sleek sleeve doubles as a laptop stand, allowing you to work comfortably wherever you go. Its foldable design offers adjustable angles, ensuring ergonomic support for your wrists and neck. Made from high-quality materials, the Moth Carry Sleeve provides excellent protection for your device, while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. What makes this sleeve stand out is its thoughtful design. In addition to functioning as a stand, it includes pockets for storing essentials like cables, pens, and notebooks, making it an all-in-one solution for professionals on the go. Its lightweight and slim profile make it easy to slip into your bag, while the durable construction ensures your laptop stays safe from bumps and scratches. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.